today's lesson, I'll show you how to add a festive Christmas outro to any song that ends in the key of D major. Here's middle C for reference. We'll start with the left hand. We're going down the chromatic scale and play D, D flat, C, B, B flat, A, and end with D octaves. On the right, we'll play D and F sharp together. We'll play this 3 times, another 3 times, then we'll play it once more and we'll play A, D, E, and end with A, C sharp, and F sharp. We'll roll our fingers, we'll play both hands together to give us our D major 7 chord. Now let's add this ending to any song that ends with D or D major 7. Instead of the simple D or D major 7, we'll play our ending like so. What if your song ends in a different key? Well, I have you covered with the following tutorials. The links are in the description and comment section.